Good evening, folks. Hope you're all keeping fine. I've got a wee ballad for you. The Dowie of Yarrow. There lived a lady in the north, one ne'er could find her marrow. She was courted by 9 gentlemen, and a blue boy lad frae Yarrow. Late at e'en, drinking the wine, it's there they played the lawn, and they made a pact among them all, for to fecht for her on Yarrow. She's washed his face and she's combed his hair, as oft she's done afore, and she's made him like a knight sae braw, for to fecht for her on Yarrow. He's gaed down yon high hill, and down by the homes o' Yarrow, and there he spied 9 armed men, come to fecht wi' him on Yarrow. There's 9 o' ye and ane o' me, that's a gay unequal marrow, but I'll fecht ye's o' ane by ane on the Dowie dens o' Yarrow. 3 he slew, and 3 they flew, and 3 he's wounded sairly, till her brother John came in beyond, and wounded him maist foully. O feather dear, I dreamed a dream o' dule and sorrow. I dreamed I pooed the heather bells on the Dowie dens o' Yarrow. She's gaed down yon high hill, and down by the homes o' Yarrow, and there she spied her ain dear love, lying pale and wan on Yarrow. Her hair had been 3/4 lang, and the colour o' it was yellow. She's tied it round his waist sae small, and she's bore him hame frae Yarrow. O feather dear, ye hae 7 sons, ye may wad them a' the morrow, but the fairest flower that ever grew was slain this day on Yarrow. Thanks, folks. Cheers, Charlie.